help for completing this event in a grand success. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Professor Saida Husna, Assistant Professor, Department EFC, to give a report of this 5-day FDP.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself Saida Husna Mohammadi, Assistant Professor, Department of ENC, will be presenting the report of 5-day FDP on embedded systems and robotics. Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, HKBKCE, organized ATL-sponsored 5 days faculty development program on embedded systems and robotics from 15 to 19 November 2021. A total of 70 plus participants all over the country registered for the FDP and average of 60 participants attended the same. The program commenced on 15th November 2021 with inaugural session. Dr. M.S. Bhagyashekar, Principal, HKBK CE, Professor Hussein Ahmed, Professor EC, Chief Coordinator, IQAC, Dr. Lata Rajagopalan, HOD ECE, Dr. Mahantesh R. Chaudhary, Director, Mark EduTech, graced the occasion. 5-day FDP completed successfully with 14 technical sessions, which gave an exposure to participants from all over India, a rich experience of embedded systems and robotics, which meets the industry standards. The details of sessions are as follows. Day 1, Session 1 by Mr. Zakir Ahmed, Senior Firmware Engineer, HP INC, gave an in-depth knowledge about the present trends in embedded systems, IoT, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and OS in multi-core systems. Session 2 by Dr. Mahantesh R. Chaudhary, Director Mark EduTech, gave an insight about history and design parameters of embedded systems, challenges and trends in operating systems. Session 3 by Mr. Syed Zaid Ahmed, Technical Manager, Velankani Electronics Private Limited, spoke on the practical applications of basic components and basic memory structure. Day 2, Session 4 by Ms. Vinimol Thambi, Technical Manager, Velankani Electronics Private Limited, delivered a talk on basic electronic components, design concepts, introduction to logic, and optimized implementation of logic functions. Session 5 and 6 by Dr. Mahantesh R. Chaudhary gave an insight on combinational circuits, the various building blocks of combinational circuits, sequential circuits like flip-flops, registers, and counters. And also he delivered a talk on microcontrollers, microprocessors, the various addressing modes, programming in assembly, and embedded C. Day 3, Session 7 by Dr. Manjunath M., Partner, Mark EduTech. He delivered a talk on special function registers, instruction architect, focused on basic circuits, line detecting sensors, analog and digital sensors. Session 11 and 12 by Arun Kulkarni, uh, JP Morgan, delivered a talk on anatomy of overview controller, robot stocks, Bluetooth operating routine by Dr. Mahesh Chaudhary and Major NAI Innovation Center. This focused on tech and practical sessions and implementation of line following robot, while observation of robot, Bluetooth controlled robot, and firefighting robot. This was conducted for the participants and feedback session also took place. The FDP concluded with the validatory session. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving brief report of 5-day FDP. Now I request participants to give their valuable feedback.
A kind request to the participants to give their valuable feedback.
Sasi Rekha ma'am has a message. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So I would like to thank the organizing committee and the resource persons for giving us an hands-on sessions for the 5 days. Starting from the scratch, even a person with no knowledge of microcontrollers and microprocessors was able to tide through the process. The sessions were taken in such a manner that all the ABCs of microprocessors and embedded systems were taught, and the purpose of writing a code and structuring of a code and how you integrate hardware and do a software coexistence was excellently delivered. Though the industry people were giving us the sessions to teaching fraternity, normally teaching fraternity has a lot of questions generated in their minds when they deal with the hardware, and they were patiently taken up by the Mahantesh and his team. So I thank the organizers and the resource persons for providing us an opportunity to take these sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Any other participants like to give the feedback?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Bhagya ma'am. Thank you, Rupesh Yadav sir. Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am.
Thank you, everyone, for your feedback. Now I request Professor Hussain Ahmad, uh, Professor ENC and IQSC Chief to deliver vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
At the outset, I would like to thank the management, HKBKCE, for providing us the necessary infrastructure and the support to conduct this event successfully. I would also like to thank our ex-principal, Dr. Bhagyashekar MS, for his kind support that he has extended to start this program and make it a grand success. I would also like to thank the electronics department, electronics and communication engineering department of HKBKCE for conducting this event and organizing it so well. I would like to also thank the participants for their kindness and support all along these sessions. I hope you have all enjoyed these sessions. As the feedback suggested, many sessions probably were very useful to you. And I also request you to give the feedback for the overall feedback of the sessions that have been conducted over the 5 days, so that certification will become easier for all of you. And also, I think hopefully you would have all submitted the test papers, questions that were given, quiz test that was asked, and you have already submitted the Google Forms. With these few words, I would like to thank all the participants. I think I have forgotten our main resource person, Dr. Mahantesh Chaudhary. Probably he's not in the meeting. That's what it looks like. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So he was our ex-student, 2009 BE pass out. Subsequently, he did his MTech and then he did his doctorate, completed his doctorate. And he has also been an academician as well as an entrepreneur and doing a wonderful job. Thank you, Dr. Mahantesh Chaudhary, for associating with us, for conducting several events in this college and also for this event that we have conducted under Atal FDP. Thank you all. Thank you all the participants. Thank you faculty members. Thanks to HODEC, Dr. Lata, and all the other coordinators. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request all the participants to turn on the video. Thank you all. So we'll wind up with this session. Thank you for participating in this 5-day FDP.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you.